Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kakenhon Menteri Henne Kasngi Kala Minjar ya kakerteng jong kakong RV Suchiang Bantung kum ka State Chief Information Commissioner kabala thalino ahadien ka jeng shong that no uba nong plu UIPS bala shong that ha ka khat sau turik unai wing ar haja apusau ya kakong Suchiang la Thung banlong kum ka State Chief Information Commissioner na ka bentar laisnem.
Then Cabinet also cleared the appointment of the State Chief Information Commissioner, which has become vacant in view of the retirement of Pak Nongplu, IPS retired on the 14th of November 2024. Today, the Cabinet has approved the proposal that Kong RV Suchiang, IAS retired, be appointed as the new State Chief Information Commissioner for the period of 3 years. This year is like this. There was a search committee which came up with a panel of names, and this search committee then decided that it would recommend for one particular name, and this name was today placed before the Cabinet, and the name was that of Kong RV Suchiang, and the views of both the law and finance departments were also obtained before the matter was placed before the Cabinet, and the Cabinet decided to agree to this proposal.
Names, if we can, other names.
Other names include Kong Ripanar Lingdo, IAS retired, and Mr. Sahai, IFS retired, additional principal CCF of Forest Department. Tenure is
3 years.
3 years, and the age limit is 65. Yeah, 65 years.
Up to 65.
Yes.